It's 60 degrees in Pittsburgh, and that only means one thing. We're going kayaking.
River is moving a little bit quickly for me to be able to get much control right now. My kayak is not the best at tracking, but there's an old lock from when this was used for, right here, from when this was used as a, used during river boats back in the 1800s.
Got some birds over here. I really hope my phone doesn't go in the drink right now. I should probably start paddling soon. And then like a little bit of a 60-degree day in mid-January.
Yes. Of course, that's a pretty one. Don't shoot all you bastards. He's gonna let us coast up on this. Oh, hey, here's a pack. Real close to us. This Gretchen's lock.
It might be. I'm not sure which one's Gretchen's lock. I think Gretchen's lock is down by that camping area, so it'll depend how close we are to that. If the camping area is around the bend up here, then yes, this is Gretchen's lock, which is a haunted lock. Yeah, we gotta be getting pretty close to it. It might be Gretchen's lock. This is a haunted lock, where a locksmith's infant daughter died back in the 1800s, and then he left and went back to Ireland. So, kind of eerie. Story is sad. So we forgot to calculate something. This river has a class 2 rapid on it. And as long as we're dry, we're fine. But Bob's never successfully run this rapid, and I have a habit of getting wet. It should be interesting. Happy January, everyone. Remember how I'm talking about failing to run the rapid? That was just me. I don't know how heavy a kayak that is half full of water is. You barely get it up on shore. Holy cow.
We got a hawk flying over here. And in that tree right there. Might see him here in a second. There he is, right. It's hard, but it's right there. And the trees, it comes out far. There's an eagle up there, staring out its wings.
I don't know if you can see it, but a whole bunch of eagles just went flying. There's like 6 eagles flying around down here. It's incredible. They just flew out in front of us. That's awesome. And my kayak's turning me backwards. You learned that there's a dead animal upriver, and that's why they're all here. But they're...
There's got to be at least 10, don't you think?
Oh, at least... Like, there has to be at least that many. There's a bunch of animals over here. A bunch of eagles, I mean.